partner give you? Oh, I'm a YouTube partner. What is a YouTube partner? Basically, it allows you to actually get memberships on your YouTube page. What's memberships? Okay, memberships on your YouTube page is basically people, your friends, people that you already know. They come, okay, and they subscribe to your YouTube account. So that money already is yours. YouTube, of course, is gonna take a cut because that's their platform, right? But how many memberships you have, that's still your money. So you're gonna be Gucci, you're gonna be okay because those are actually your members, right? And then the next one that you're gonna be allowed is to have like super likes. Like right now, I'm doing a live, I'm having a conversation with you guys. If you guys want to send me some money, okay, you just put a super like right there, okay, you comment, you click a super like, and that goes directly money for me. So while I'm live, right, you can comment, you can do super live. But the most important thing, man, forget about all that, that's my thing, is right here. Watch ads, okay, from your shorts and from your videos. Right now, that sounds like an alien language to you. Okay, ads, all right, ads, that's your future. Okay, ads, what that is, they place ads on your videos. YouTube, okay, place advertisements on your videos. All these companies that pay for the advertisements, right? So all these companies that pay for advertisements, they come and they YouTube select them and they put on your videos. So basically, you see, when you see a commercial and then you click skip, oh, that's money right there, man. Yeah, that's money right there. Now, every single person, like you say, 1,000 viewers, you got 1,000 viewers, depending of the people that came and they watch your video and they saw the commercials that YouTube actually place it on your videos. And get, when you get better, you're gonna be able to place your own promotions too, so you can put promotions on your videos. Okay, so yeah, then let's say so, then when they watch these promotions, YouTube will automatically pay you. They have the CPM, okay, and the RPM. Okay, those are two things that you gotta know. The CPM is the, and the RPM, the both of them, one is the money that they pay YouTube, okay? And then the money that they pay YouTube for your advertising. That's one. And the second one is the money that YouTube actually pay you for the advertisement. Meaning, let me be honest with you.